You can think of this video as sort of a refresher video on picking a range of numbers, a random number from a range of numbers. And in this video, I'll specifically generate a random number between -10 and 10. This might sound a little bit confusing if you haven't done it before, but it's actually pretty straightforward and simple. So let's say rand num from range as the name of our function. And now I'll set the array to an empty array. And then I'll say for let I equals 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. And here inside this array, inside this for loop, I'll just do array.push. And here I'll say math.seal, math.random, math.random times 20. And then I'll subtract 10 from it. And finally here I'll console.log the value of arr. And now I can run my code, random from range, and I can see that indeed I'm getting numbers -9 to 10 inclusive. So that's pretty much it. A very simple implementation and something you can play around with to further learn the intricacies of getting random numbers from a range of numbers in JS.